Something really scary and freaky happened to me yesterday. I was like sitting on my couch and everything and watching TV and enjoying, whatever was on. And all of a sudden I heard this weird noise coming from the fridge. And when I looked over, it was open. I was so scared. I went to go get my parents, but the doors closed when I got back. My parents didn't believe me, nor did my friends. So I'm hoping through this video I can pretty much prove my point that, there really is a ghost opening and closing my refrigerator door. But, kind of scared because a lot of people probably don't believe me because they think somebody's doing it, but I'm going to prove to you that nobody's in this kitchen, so here I go. Or in this house. Except my parents, of course, but they're asleep. So, nobody's in here, whatever. Wait, maybe I should, whatever. Nobody's in here. Yes, nobody's in the dishwasher. Nobody's in the garbage pail. Nobody's in there. Or here. Obviously, nobody could fit up there, whatever. Nobody's in here. Nobody's in there either. Progresso, and nobody's in there. Oh, something fell. Oops, it fell in there. Oh, nothing's in there. Nor in there. Or here. I know these are really good hiding places, but nobody's here. I'll even show you. Nobody's in the pantry. Nobody's in the hallway. Nobody. 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 So pretty much there's like nobody in sight. Yep, nobody. Yep, that's a really good hiding place, These are really good hiding places though. Nobody's in the refrigerator, freezer, whatever. Or the fridge. As you can see, nothing. Okay, well, I'm going to show you out here. Nobody's out here. I don't think.